What's going on, guys? It's Omar here. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create a custom brush on Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead and open Photoshop and then create new file. Follow these settings and click on create. Select your default brush. Go ahead and create new layer. Reduce your brush size to 9 pixels and the hardness to about 40%. Make sure your opacity and flow are both at 100%, then start clicking it randomly. Right click on your mouse and reduce your brush size to 3 pixels and 100% for the hardness. As you finish, go to edit at the top and go all the way down to the fine brush preset. Then start naming your brush as you wanted it. Let's test to see how it goes. As you can see, this is not looking like a brush, and all this is all because there's one more thing that needs to be done. So let's go back to the brush settings. Go to spacing and take it all the way down to 1%. Okay, now there's your custom hairbrush all set. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.